So we got her down to the bare joist. We got to do a little core filling. A lot of cracks and stuff the mice have been getting in. So we got a little bottle jack set up, a little 6-ton under the joist. It's going across the second joist. Basically just got to pull this shim out of here. Well, it's already loose because I jacked it up earlier, but basically you can kind of see it lift right off the foundation. Here we go. Oh, there you see a little crack. Yep, whole thing's coming up. Feel the air coming through now. Get this guy out of here. Alright, now we're gonna drop her down and see what happens. And sitting her back down. Well, definitely got some holes to fill here. Good grief.